Thank you. Hi, everyone. My name is Carl-Henrik. I represent Trustly, a Swedish payments technology company. The unique payment product we'll present today provides the convenience and security of paying from a regular web shop, but now made available for private persons on online marketplaces. This person-to-person product is made possible by combining three, each individually innovative components. First, the possibility to pay with the most convenient payment methods online. Second, the possibility to passport my KYC data from my online banking service to enable instant identifications of buyers and sellers. And third, the ability to pay out the money intra-bank from Trustly's bank account to the seller's bank account in the same bank, allowing instant and irreversible settlement. To put it into perspective, in Sweden, where I come from, the e-commerce market has an annual turnover of around 5 billion euro. Our partner, Blocket.se, the largest online marketplace in Sweden, has an aggregated value of classified ads posted in excess of 30 billion euros per year. Still, until now, there have been few and poor alternatives for private persons to pay and get paid conveniently on online marketplaces. To put it straight, it's a hassle. This is how Trustly direct payment, direct betalning in Swedish, works. And just for you to know, this is the first time the buyer and seller, in this case, use this service. What's better than a slim, fast sign-up process? No sign-up process. So, this is how it looks. In order for me not to ruin the demo, I had to sell something that would be unlikely for people to buy. So I chose my right shoe. I contact the seller, we agree on the terms, we use direct betalning, which is embedded right in the classified ad where it should be. Price 20 krona, I enter my details and choose to pay with Skandiabanken, my online bank, and continue. I enter username for my online bank and continue. And to make payments from my online bank, I usually need some kind of hardware. TAN code generator, scratch card. With my bank, Skandiabanken, I enjoy the convenience of using software issued by my bank in the form of an app in my smartphone. So I open the app, and we see more and more banks issuing software to make payments, thus making bank payments the most convenient way of paying online with maintained security of bank payments. So I verify myself with my PIN code. And am asked from what account I wish to make the payment from. I choose my current account and continue. As you see, the payment process is very convenient and streamlined. Actually, less fields to fill than a card payment. The customer has everything they need. They feel right at home and are used with the steps from their online banking sessions. And the best thing is that the only thing needed is a bank account, something most people have. No registrations, no sign-ups. Being able to pay with direct bank payments is the future of online payments and the first of our three innovative components. Finally, to confirm the payment, I enter my PIN code again. And once the payment is settled into Trustly's account, the payer cannot reverse the payments, hence a minimized risk of chargebacks. That's it as a buyer. I get a confirmation email that I've paid and now have to wait for the seller to accept the payment. So I check the seller's inbox. Seller gets an email and is asked to go to a specific URL and enter this 10-digit code to receive the funds. So I copy the code. I go to the specific URL, I enter the code, and continue. I am asked to choose what account to receive the payment to, and at the same time identify myself by passporting my KYC data from my online bank. So I choose my online bank, SEB in this case, and enter my username for my online bank. Remember, this is the seller side, and the seller has SEB. I'm asked to generate a one-time code from my TAN code generator. As you see, SEB still has hardware. So I generate a one-time code. And continue. Next, I choose what account I wish to receive the payment to, which is this one, my current account, and continue. I now accept the payment and am asked what I want to do with my classified ad. I choose to remove it since the shoe is sold. The money is now paid out directly intra-bank. It's simply a transaction within the bank's database, settled instantly and irreversible. As far as we know, Trustly is the only supplier in the world of these intra-bank payouts. The third innovative component. Now, the buyer and seller both get an email that says all is okay and the buyer can pick up the shoe later today. As you noticed, Trustly Direct Payment provides the convenience and security of buying from a regular web shop, but now made available for private persons on online marketplaces. This is done by combining the three individual components. For convenience, the ability to pay with the most convenient payment method online. For security, the ability to passport KYC data for instant identification and fraud protection. And third, speed, the ability to pay out the money intra-bank, allowing instant irreversible settlement. Trustly's technology is scalable and can be embedded into any online marketplace or offered as a standalone solution. We will go international with Trustly Direct Payment in 2013, offering increased convenience and security for the yet relatively unexplored online marketplaces. Please visit our booth for a closer look of direct betalning, direct payment, or if you have a spare shoe. Thank you.